Good morning, everybody. I am going to show you how to address an envelope this morning. So I have just a regular envelope right here. You can put in your letter here, and then you can tape it or shut it, and your stamp always goes in the top right corner here. And then addressing an envelope takes two parts. So the first part is in this top left corner, you need your return address. So that is where you live. So I will put my address. So I could, I'm going to write Mrs. Gomez. And then the next line is your house number and your road. And you always want to use pen, not pencil with this. And then the last line is your city and Wisconsin, and then your zip code. So that's what goes here. This is the return address. In case the mail person can't find the address that you want it delivered to, it can come back to you. So that's why you have this address. So then here in the middle, you do the address where you want to send it. So I don't have an address. So I'm just going to pretend to send it to my dad. So I would write his name first. So Dennis Whitish. And then it's the same as the return address. The next line is the number and the street. And then that last line is, again, the city, state, and zip code. And you'll see that some of us have all different types of we have different zip codes, so you'll want to make sure. That's how the mail person kind of knows the area in which the city where the letter needs to go. And so that's how you do an envelope. Now, another option would be, I just cut a piece of cardstock. I had, like a big piece. So I cut it in half, and then I cut it in half again. So now I have two kind of like postcards. So you could write or draw a picture on this side, and then on this side, you could do the same. So you could, if you wanted to do something like this, so you can put your stamp here. And then in the top left corner, you would do your return address. So just like how I did on the envelope, I would write my name, address, and then in the middle right here, I will write who I want to send it to. And this one will probably be to one of you. So have a good day.